Friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make transparent text in Canva. So once you add your text, and to add text is very easy. Let me go ahead and remove this text here so that we can do it together from scratch. So you want to go ahead and click on text, and you can just click the text box and you can add whatever you want. So let's say I want to add the word beach, so I'm going to add the word beach here, and you will see that the text is there. But the thing is, the text is in a black and I can't see it, so I will go ahead and click on, for example, the B to bold the text. And as well, I'm going to change the color of the text, and let's scroll down and let's choose white here and just click and change all. Now that the text color is changed, we can change the font. So we want to scroll across and find font and find something that we can use. So let's use this, and now the font is changed. Now we want to go ahead and uppercase the text, and as you can see that it is now uppercase. Now what we can do now is just make the text larger by simple dragging it and make it larger. And now the text is large, we can move it to the top and make it, centered. You can easily move it until you see clip, and you know that it's large. Now, in order now to actually transparent the text or fade out this text, we can easily do that by clicking on the text and use the options across to just move across until we find transparency. We tap on transparency. By default, it's going to be to 100, and all we have to do is just simple bring this down until we're satisfied. So if I bring it all the way down to 0, you see that it disappears, but you can just make it wherever you want. So if I just want a little tip of visibility of the word beach, I can put it to about 20%, and that's it. And that's how you make the transparency of the text. Very easy and very simple.